Hello.
How you doing, everyone?
I'm doing okay. How are you doing?
Doing good.
May I ask who our colleague is that passed away?
Jocelyn Andrews.
An attorney?
Yeah. She was an attorney and a nurse.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, everyone, please whisper and remember my previous rules. Do not approach until you've spoken with your client and conferred with the state. Court is calling 2025 CR 0044949, 2025 CR 0044950, State versus Jarrett Michael Wade. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Whitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
James Seeloff for the defense.
And are you Mr. Wade?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea of no contest on June 26th. This defense waived PSI, and this was to give the defense a chance to bring witnesses if the defense wanted to bring witnesses. Did you have any witnesses?
But it was my stepfather, but he had emergency back surgery yesterday.
Okay.
So he couldn't come. He's a ex-police officer.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so what was he going to say?
He was basically going,
Say, give you probation, right?
Good character
Yes,
and
ma'am.
hard worker.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
And Gerard Willie.
All right, are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
UPS driver, part-time, whatever.
How long you been doing that?
4 years.
You're not one of the people who throws packages over there.
He gently brings it to your
In a
door.
box, or I place them right there and get you going.
All right, do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
12 years old.
All right, and do they stay with you? Do you have, all right,
He's married. He's been married for 15 years.
We've been together for 15 years.
see, together for 15,
We're
married for 7. All right,
Okay.
so here's the trick question. When's your anniversary?
November 3rd.
Ah, I
Good
like
man.
that. Usually people don't remember their anniversary date. Well, the state is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication, but they're recommending, let me see,
Probation.
they're recommending community supervision. So state, do you have any objection to the court giving him deferred adjudication?
No, Your Honor, the state.
All right. So here's the thing about deferred adjudication. The offenses that you have, they're third-degree felonies. The agreement that you reached with the state was if you were ever revoked, the maximum I would be able to sentence you to is 10 years. With deferred adjudication, the maximum I'll be able to sentence you to 10 years is if you violate the terms of your probation. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The thing about deferred adjudications don't show up as a conviction on your record, but they will still show up on your record. Do you understand? All right. And UPS, are they making you do drug tests?
No, ma'am. We don't, they deal with felonies with charges.
Okay.
Wishy-washy.
All right. So here's the thing. While you're on probation, you have to do drug tests. So you can either do drug tests where you actually go into the office, or either they can give you a patch. The thing about patches, it helps you with your time constraints. And I'm sorry, state, you may be excused. It helps you with the time constraints, but the patch costs more. Ms. Abrams, how much is a patch? A drug patch? Sure.
It's $50 every 2 weeks, Judge.
Every 2 weeks?
Yes, Judge.
Or you can do the UA. The UA will be once a month.
I'll take the UA.
All right.
Judge, also keep in mind we have that watch.
Ah, so they also have the watch. And how much is the watch? The watch is something new. It looks like a watch. You put it on, and it's supposed to be less expensive.
I'm fine with the UAs.
Judge, I believe
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
$5 a day.
Oh.
Okay, that $5 a day adds up.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, especially with the 12-year-old, right?
What, 10 years?
All right, and cause number 2025 CR 004950.
49.
Oh, you have two. Yes. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once those are completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. This is to run concurrent with 2025 CR 004949. There's to be restitution, if any, to Stephen, that's with the V, Enriquez. The defensive driving course. No contact with Stephen Enriquez. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else with regards to that cause number?
Your Honor, could I ask the court to reconsider the driving course? I don't know how that applies, and he is a driver with UPS.
Well, because he has an evading arrest. So that's why.
You understand?
And it'll help him.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, and cause number 2025 CR 004949. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. This is to run concurrently with 2025 CR 004950. Again, restitution, if any, to Stephen Enriquez. The defensive driving course. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes,
I need a 30-day reset for a restitution hearing.
yes.
Do you need my presence for that?
Yes.
Judge, if you do August 12th,
All right, August 12th. Counsel and Mr. Wade, you can appear by Zoom. And let me see if I can find your trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful in this probation?
No, Your Honor.
No.
Can you give me anything?
Were you gonna do his probation for?
I thought I would. Isn't that part of my duties?
Yeah,
Court-
could be.
Okay.
All right, so Mr. Wade, do you need anything else to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreements, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Okay.
In this court, in order to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, you need to let your probation officer know about it. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can come back to the court. We're off the record, if you're able to successfully complete everything, your attorney can talk to you about early termination.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just have a seat. Probation is going to go over conditions with you.
I was gonna ask you, do we do probation talk now before
Yes.
the restitution? But you want me here
Yeah, or you can appear by Zoom.
by Zoom? Okay, and I'll get a notice with the Zoom numbers?
Oh, yes, and she's going to give him the reset form as well.
Okay.
All right, let's talk about that. This hearing for Jared Michael Wade was one of those moments when you could see Judge Boyd's skill in balancing firm accountability with a genuine desire to see someone succeed. Mr. Wade pled no contest to 2 separate charges, both third-degree felonies, and the court was considering whether to grant deferred adjudication. From the outset, Mr. Wade was polite and engaged, answering every question clearly, and even managing a little humor when the judge teased him about whether he was the type of UPS driver who just tosses packages over the fence. He assured everyone he wasn't. What stood out was the defense's effort to bring in testimony about Mr. Wade's character. His stepfather, who'd planned to speak on his behalf, couldn't appear because of emergency back surgery, but Mr. Wade still described him as an ex-police officer ready to vouch that he was a good worker trying to turn things around. Despite the seriousness of the charges, especially considering the evading arrest, the state was willing to recommend community supervision instead of a harsher sentence. Judge Boyd was careful to make sure Mr. Wade understood exactly what deferred adjudication meant, that it wouldn't count as a conviction but would still be on his record, and that any violations could result in up to 10 years in prison. She also walked him step by step through his rights, from the right to a jury trial to the right to confront witnesses, confirming he was knowingly waiving all of them. You could see that Judge Boyd wanted him to grasp that probation is not an automatic pass, it's a structured opportunity with clear expectations. The sentence was thorough but not excessive. 6 years of deferred adjudication, random drug tests, proof of employment within 30 days, no work around minors or in-home health care, 100 hours of community service that could be waived if he completed, parenting classes, and a defensive driving course because of the evading arrest charge. Mr. Wade tried to object to the driving course, but Judge Boyd explained plainly that it wasn't just about his job. It was about showing he could make safer decisions behind the wheel. She also ordered monthly field visits for the first 3 months and set a restitution hearing to work out any remaining obligations to the victim. What was refreshing was the way she left the door open. If Mr. Wade could stay compliant, work consistently, and complete either trade education or demonstrate career advancement, she'd consider early termination of probation. Her message was clear. She wasn't there to hold him down, but to set a bar he needed to meet. The atmosphere remained respectful the whole time, and when Mr. Wade asked logistical questions about appearing by Zoom, the court made sure he understood exactly how to keep in touch. It was a good example of how even serious cases can be handled with decency and practical guidance. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one,